what it's like in Asheville when there's a blizzard and you're trying to get up the hill and you can't make it because there's so much dang snow. Look at that. Oh my God, will he make it? Keep going back and forth, Stefan. Come on, baby. You can do it. I have the faith. You're from Canada. I know you can do it. Oh my God, look at that. This is the blizzard of Asheville, March 1st, 2009. He's gonna make it. Oh, I don't believe it. Wow. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh my God, he did it. He did it. Oh, that was touch and go for a while. I think we're gonna do it. We got our room. There he's going, he's parking. We made it. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yay, Stefan, you're the man. You are the man, man. You are the man. Look at this place. It is, it's just a blizzard of a place on a big hill. It's crazy. I still can't believe we made it up that hill. Look at those cracks. Zigzagging all over. Can you believe it? Oh my God, all these hills. I don't know how people handle the snow.
Goes away, and you're like,
to show more.
So it's frustrating to make it. Yeah. What I do sometimes is I just put it on 32 times fast, remember? And as I see something looks good, I'll stop it there. Are you taking it?
How old are you?
See?
You say it's my fault. You can vote, you may not hear recording. You know where my rock is? We got rid of it, remember? Yeah, they got it. Didn't get it after. You sure?
Can't wait to